Well, happy Monday. No stream on Friday. I was moving. So today, just coming in with a base hit mentality and was able to execute off of that. We took 3 trades today. I took 3 trades today. So we're going to go and recap those trades that I took. Please sit back and enjoy. This was done on my 20 Apex accounts. Right now, they are 80% off with code TBM. You can get funded up to 20 accounts, which is what I'm trading here. So let's go and dive into today's recap. Yo, good morning. How we doing? Welcome. Happy Monday. You'll notice that my pricing is a little different. That is because I rolled over. You should be rolled over. You should be trading NQH. NQH5. NQH5. Again, just to quickly recap the code NQ, that's the index that you're trading, in this case Nasdaq. H is the expiration month. H is March. 5 is the trading year, 2025. So we were trading NQH5. Does it really make a difference to roll over? You are required to roll over. You cannot not roll over. If you're trading futures, you have to roll over. It's a requirement. You're trading future contracts. Once the date in the future is now the present, it is no longer a futures contract. So you have to roll over. You have to be playing the future. All right. What else do we got? News on the day. Looking at 845 PMI. And manufacturing PMI 845. Other than that, you got Trump making a statement at 10. But yeah, 845 news. I always wait the first 15 minutes anyway, so that's not going to affect me today. I always wait the first 15 minutes to let everything shake it out a little bit. We do have news at 845. Overnight session looks to be a little trendy to the upside. We're up half a percentage point. This is what the daily looks like. Adjusted for rollover. Or with the rollover, I should say. We got overnight highs at 210. It looks like we tapped a few wicks up there, so that's an interesting spot. 210, making a 40-point rotation higher for that 80 to 20 move. Seems very interesting. If we get a little bit heavy, we crack volume at 75. We got VWAP at 140, 150. Interesting spot. We snapped that. We got yesterday's value area high at 110. Also an interesting spot. If we decide to get heavy and break the little trend line that we got going right now. Nothing shocking. All right, chat. Make sure you press the thumbs up button down below. I've got a weekend joke and I've got Monday jokes. We got 2 dad jokes today once we get to 420 thumbs up on the stream. So make sure you click it. There was no stream on Friday. I was moving. Really, I was packing to move for Friday. I was not packing. We had packers here. That was the first time I've done that. What a magical experience. Truly. What a truly magical experience to have someone else pack for you. It was amazing. I don't plan on moving again. Other than this office, I have no intention of moving my house again for a very long time. It's such a hassle. But packers made it better. We are still unpacking boxes. And there's still some things that have to happen at the house. We still have some workers there and stuff. But overall, it's felt good the last couple days. Especially yesterday. I got the Wi-Fi working yesterday, which was good. So we watched a movie last night, took the night off. It was fun. Very excited to be moved. I had to drive to work today, which is weird because I'm working out of my old home office, but I still had to drive to get here. So I'm like commuting back to my house. Seems like a decent spot. 22 or 66, excuse me. 68. Going up prior high, right at the prior open as well. Looks interesting to me. I'm gonna go ahead and move that break, and I'm filled out. I was gonna move that break even, filled out instantly as well. Nice little 10-pointer there. Basically, I think I got the actual bottom tick there, everybody. Let's go. Love that. Those are the best. True bottom tick, 10-point base hit. Love it. On to the next. I was talking about 66. 66 would have been like kind of the prior swing high, I guess, on the 1 minute chart. I ended up placing my order at the prior high, so front running 66 just a little bit, like 68 or whatever, which is also right into that prior open. A lot of times on super trendy days, you'll retest the prior open and bounce off it. And in this case, we ended up just basically retesting that prior high, which is also right next to the prior open, and bouncing off it for just a little bit. So a quick little 10 pointer there, bottom tick, no drawdown. To me, almost a perfect trade. I really love that trade. And we've had a nice move to the upside. So like if we roll over here and we, you know, can get a little bit of move down at 240 or something, that's probably a good thing. Value area high or 250 cycle level, somewhere around there I think would be a good thing. But I mean, I just grabbed 10 points off of a little pullback, so not going to complain. All right, it's lit. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. All right, Saturday and Sunday, this past weekend's dad joke, the 14th and the 15th. How did the hipster burn his tongue? How did the hipster burn his How did the hipster burn his tongue? He drank his coffee before it was cool. Not bad. December 16th, Monday. December 16th, Monday. Today's dad joke. What do you call it when Batman skips church? What do you call it when Batman skips church? Christian Bale. Should have been Bale, B-A-I-L. Yeah, it could have been like, what do you call it when Batman goes to jail? Christian Bale or something. Chat, 80% off is active through tomorrow. We don't know what comes after that, but it's 80% off. The 125 lifetime fee is active through tomorrow, the 17th. Don't know what comes after that. Could go back to normal pricing. I don't know. Just throwing it out there. 1 day to pass is still good as well. So 80% off is still active right now, as well as the 1 day to pass. So at least tomorrow. We'll see if they extend it or not. I don't know. Code TBM. Watching IB. I don't know if I'll get to fill or not. I get filled at IB. I'm gonna go ahead and move that break even. We slap back down in an IBH. I don't think it looks that good anymore, so I either want to get filled or just get stopped out and move on, which it looks like I get stopped out. Okay, I take a break even there. 1 tick in the money. Ran up to like 137 points or so. I wanted us to sweep this. I wanted us to aggressively sweep this high, and we just didn't do it. So good luck. We got a little dicey down here at the lows, and I think that if we, basically my thought process was if we can't finish through 300 or get to 300, and if we can't finish through it, then go ahead and take the break even, because if we come back down to IB, I think we sweep this 86 level, but I don't know. We'll see. And with 80 volume and point of control a little lower, it seems like a target. I don't even hate the 80 buy, to be honest. Like the 80 buy or the volume 77, 80 buy. I don't hate either one of those. There's volume. Oops, wrong button. Wrong hotkey. I'm going to go ahead and take the snap along there off volume. If I had it resting, I'd have a better fill by 3 points or whatever. There we go. Perfect. That's literally exactly what I wanted. I wanted to see how we were going to react there. I didn't want to have it resting in case we just fully plunged, but we took the bounce off 80, so I marked it in. That's exactly what I wanted there. Instant 10 points. I had a worse entry by 3 points, but I was able to see us actually react, which is what I wanted. So the 3 points of worse fill was absolutely worth it to be able to see the reaction off of 80 in volume and still get the 10 points there. That was a very fast trade. That was instant, and that's exactly what I wanted. Happy with all 3 trades today. I took the break even at IB, which I was happy about. It ended up running a profit, but I would have been sweating a little bit. So I'm happy with that one. This trade was an actual maybe 1 tick of drawdown, but basically a bottom tick, instant 10 points. That one was a no drawdown, instant 10 points as well. So gonna call it there. $400 across the 20 account times 20 accounts. I'm very happy with the trading session, especially after taking Friday off and it being rollover and all that. Very happy with the session.